Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's review of technology, we'll discover innovative bedroom and space-saving furniture. Click the like button, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more updates on vital technology. Today's modern homes is more than just a space where one can find rest. Nowadays, designers and enlightened homeowners have the right solution to the challenges of improving their space's layout, especially in your most sacred of sanctuaries, the bedroom. Through ingenious design and multifunctionality, homeowners now have the answer to tight space conditions and dull conventional furniture. This solution not only gives function and adds to your overall aesthetics, these can provide a greater amount of floor space, adding to your greater comfort. Here are some items that would be perfect for the bedroom and incredible space-saving furniture that can fit any space you place them in. The Spintex. An incredibly versatile piece of furniture, the Spintex combines intelligent design into the concept of multifunction, allowing you to maximize space in your room or whatever you place this piece in. It works by sliding together bars provided that attach each element of the Spintex, allowing you to choose your design or function into a range of stylish and practical items, such as a bed, a chair, a table, or even as toys to play with. This piece is durable and is lightweight, ideal for indoor and outdoor use, and comes with its own app with a 3D design simulator that enables you to virtually build original furniture designs, which you can recreate for real. This piece allows you to maintain that DIY feel while adjusting your space settings and pushes your creative limits as well. Amore. A great space saver, especially for those space-challenged homes, the Amore revolving TV Murphy bed can give you the space solution you need, as it combines its bookshelf and media center that can fit a 58-inch TV into a rotating fit that can reveal a comfy queen-size bed. With compact cupboards that you could use, securing the unit as it closes as well, no one would even know that the actual space you're looking at is the actual unit you can sleep on. The Amore's great design allows each item to stay in its place as it rotates and can securely hide away wires and necessary equipment onto the sides of the unit. This space-saving surprise is perfect for any bedroom, certainly adding convenience to function. The Ozio Metrino Coffee Table. Italian furniture maker, Ozio, is known for its transforming furniture, and they've outdone themselves with the Metrino, a multifunctional convertible table that functions as a coffee table and a work desk. This space-saving multi-purpose piece is a great addition to anyone's living room. It's quite simple to use. Just lift the top up to switch from each table function. It comes with a self-braking gas lifting mechanism, adding to its stability, making it absolutely easy to handle, allowing you to adjust the table's height to fit your comfort. Expose its hidden compartment and you get extra storage for the work-related gear. Make your space adapt to your needs with the Metrino. The Compato. The Compato is a wall bed plus revolving bookcase with a table. If it sounds like a Swiss Army knife, it's because when it comes to functionality in a limited space, then that's exactly what the Compato is about. This premium revolving bookcase wall bed is designed to be compact and stylish, while allowing you to make the most of your living space. Starting from its bookcase setting, the shelves can blend into any room and serve as shelving space for your decor or as a standard bookshelf. But with few simple twists, you can reveal a dining or office table that changes your space in an instant. Once you've finished with your meal or your work, you could pull down a full mattress for a good night's rest. Considering that it only takes a few steps to take you away from your living space, the Compato's unique design allows you to have a versatile bedroom, a dining and office unit, and vertical storage all in the same space. Poppy Board Desk and Bed. An ingeniously designed multifunctional wall bed, the Poppy board includes a storage space on its upper half that you can access with sliding doors, while the bottom half can be used as a multifunctional that has ample space for your office and work-related needs. The desk itself is mounted on the legs of the bed, which rotates as you pull the bed down from a low compartment. This wall piece is a perfect multifunctional space saver to any bedroom. Blue Frame Folding Balcony. If you live in a conventional multi-level house and you wished your bedroom had an extension to the outside world, say a veranda or a balcony perhaps, then this space-saving add-on is for you. The Bloom Frame Folding Balcony is a great innovative window pane that morphs into a balcony in under a minute, allowing you to enjoy some added outdoor space with your own balcony with a simple click of a button. Made of steel and aluminum, this heavy-duty window frame can easily be installed into a window space, and with the help of reinforced steel bars, your window can become a folding balcony, allowing you to lounge outside and enjoy your new favorite spot in your room. City Home. Adding innovation and revolutionizing small urban home spaces, the City Home is perfect for tiny apartments and small homes. This mechanical box is just the size of a closet, with compartments that respond to touch, gestures, and is voice-activated. The wall system can transform itself with its integrated furniture, exercise equipment, storage space, lighting, office equipment, and entertainment systems, providing you with the potential of a space that could be used as a home gym, a living room, or dining space, office, and meeting space, and can be minimized, allowing more loft space for a larger gathering. With its small space and packed-up functionality, this innovative bedroom add-on is a customizable piece your space needs. Milano Smart Up Bed. When it comes to choosing furniture for your bedroom, space saving is a constant need, as this can greatly impact your overall well-being in the end. Of course, aside from space saving, functionality is also on top of that requirements list. With those needs in mind, the Milano Smart Bed was designed for functionality and keeping things compact. The Smart UP ceiling bed is an adjustable bed that literally disappears into the ceiling, and with a push of a button can move down when it's time to use it. Ideal for micro apartments and studios, the Smart Up Bed allows you to make the most out of the space you can have when you lift the bed up into the ceiling, providing ample space for tables and chairs, or however you wish to use this temporary revealed floor space. And when night comes, bring your bed down and get your good night's sleep. After waking up from your relaxing rest, simply fold in the bed's legs and push the button to hide your bed into the ceiling seamlessly, and no one would be any the wiser. What do you think about these innovative bed and space-saving furniture? Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more updates on vital technology.